Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you want the look of a luxury high-end swimsuit, but you want an affordable option, I cannot recommend this swimsuit from Cbcbtwo enough. Every one of their cute designs comes with a swimsuit and a matching cover-up. And the designs are just so unique and interesting. I have this one in the beautiful bird design, and I absolutely love it. I really love the sheer swimsuit cover-up that comes with it, and you can wear this in a variety of ways. The designs are just so vibrant and so beautiful. Now, I commonly have to layer up swimsuits in order to get enough bust support, but that's just me. I think it's a fun way to mix up the design as well and bring in other colors. And for me, this provided a little bit additional modesty. But if that's not something you typically need, then you would be able to take advantage of this beautiful plunge line on this swimsuit as well. I just love the designs on these swimsuits and the unique combination of swimsuit and cover-up. If you are looking for something unique, not found in every single store, you want to stand out at the beach, and you want a suit that works for a variety of body shapes and sizes, I think this is the one for you. Just click through and see all of their fun, unique designs. I love this one, but that's just my point of view.